So these are the websites that come with Firefox when you install it. Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, Wikipedia, and Twitter. You can also see it when you actually go into the URL bar and see that these are the websites that come with the site. So it's interesting. Also, Pocket did a relationship with Firefox, and so you can see here how they've also been able to enter your visibility. So these are just some of the websites, just as a heads up, when you start Firefox. Now with Chrome, depending on how you set it up, we haven't done much here. So you can see it only has a few different websites. I did work on Zoom earlier today. Says that my screen sharing is paused. Oh yeah, that's because I didn't change it to the current screen. So let's actually share Chrome. So here you can see with Chrome, not a lot is by default. If you actually type in here, you can see, frankly, not a lot is plugged in here as well. So interesting how there is a difference between the two browsers. I'd argue we're going to stop sharing again and then go into Microsoft's setup. So see what Edge does. So Edge, actually, you can see here, asks you just like the other browsers if you'd like to set it as your default, but they do default to certain websites, including Bing, eBay, Wayfair, QVC, Nordstrom, and Washington Post. So there is a few different things here, as you can also hear my parents in the background making lots of noise. All right, so that was just some thoughts or interesting what you get when you start off with, yeah, actually the brand new browser. It looks like also Booking.com, ExpressVPN, and LastPass are also folks that have set up a relationship with the Edge. So interesting. And by the way, this is the third option when you set up Edge on your computer typically. That they allow you to choose from. There's three options as far as the types of interfaces that show up when you actually open up Edge. So interesting as far as all the different preset relationships with all these browsers.